Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 57 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Follow me to learn 彩虹 rainbow, 雨伞 umbrella, 星星 star in Chinese characters. The first one, 彩虹. 彩虹 means rainbow. They take visitors to see the most beautiful rainbow. 他们带游客去观赏最美丽的彩虹。彩虹。彩 is color. 红 彩虹 rainbow. The second one for today, 雨伞。雨伞 means umbrella. Take this umbrella with you. 带上这把雨伞。雨伞人雨伞 umbrella. Next one, 星星。星星 means star. You can see that star. 你可以看到那颗星星。星星。日。升。日升星星 star. 彩虹 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 rainbow 雨伞 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 umbrella 星星 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 star. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.